Welcome to the installation guide for Stackable Low Voltage Residential Energy Storage System. Before starting the installation, please be sure to read the safety precautions in the product manual, prepare the necessary tools and materials, and disconnect all power sources to ensure safety. Select a dry, well-ventilated installation location, avoiding direct sunlight or exposure to rain. Ensure the installation area is away from open flames and free from flammable or explosive materials. Check that all components match the packing list. If there are any discrepancies, please contact your distributor. Take out the base and fix the universal wheels. Rotate the red tab clockwise to extend the base column and secure the wheels. Place the base flat. Then lift the battery pack and set it in the fixed position. Align the connectors and place the second battery pack on top of the first one, pressing it down firmly. Install the remaining battery packs in sequence. Finally, install the inverter to complete the setup. Electrical connection. Following the labels, connect the grid input port. Then the PV port. Next, the load output port. And finally, the Wi-Fi port. The grid input can be connected to the main circuit breaker or, as shown here, to a plug. The load output can be connected to a power strip like this. Secure the Wi-Fi port with screws. Before powering on, please double check that all connections are correct and ensure there are no loose or poor contacts. Once everything is set, first, switch on the battery packs. Then turn on the battery breaker on the inverter. And finally, turn on the inverter itself. Make sure the system charges and discharges normally, the monitoring platform functions properly, and all indicators are within the expected range. Congrats! The system has been successfully installed and is ready for use. Thank you for watching, wishing you a great experience.